We recording?
Oh yeah. Oh, today we're going to show you kinda, sorta, what it takes to undercoat a truck here at GLP. There's a lot of squeegeeing involved, a little bit of pressure washing, pouring of gasoline, and installing spark plugs.
Get in here, Dan. You gotta show them how they put this on the grill here.
Alright, you put it on the grill.
It's over. That's how you do it.
It's wonderful.
Ready to cook a sausage.
Forgot to turn the heat off last night. Damn it. I was a waste of $30. Shit. I forgot to turn the compressor, or the CO2. Never turned off the propane last night. So I'm gonna have to go get another can of propane. Undercoating a truck today. My buddy Source. I'll try and do a link in the description. Fish Ontario's his page. Guy does some killer angling around the world. He just had his Chev pretty well rebuilt by a friend. So we're gonna lube it up so it doesn't go corrody again. I think that's the plan for today. I just want to show you guys my backyard. Remo!
So beautiful. This is so beautiful. Let's get famous, bud. I think we have it in us to get famous. We just gotta find our path.
I think you're right, man.
Well, the second we find our butter slide, we will get right into the nectar sector and we will become famous.
This is a Chevy. It runs on Vortex.
Mostly gasoline.
And we're going to be undercoating it because it just got a fresh set of fenders. Let me pull my headlight off for you. A fresh set of headlights. It's a Chevrolet. It's Ecotec. It's got the 4.8 you see right there. Is it turboed?
Yeah, soon to be turboed.
This is Austin. He's the owner of this green Chevrolet. And what are we doing to it today, Ming?
We gotta clean her up. She's a little dirty underneath. She's a dirty girl. We gotta rust proof it. Spray some oil underneath there. Get her ready for the winter, boys.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're doing.
Yep. And we're going to take a look at a leaky tire here. It goes down the odd day.
Yeah.
You put what, 10 pounds in it?
10 pounds in it.
10 pounds is pretty good. 10 pounds is pretty good.
It just comes together.
Well, that's what I'm like. The more and more I do it, it was really hard to talk to a camera before. And I'm getting better at it. And it's like a fucking confidence booster, man. I get why millennials do it.
Yeah.
I get why millennials do it.
Yeah. I'll get there.
So.
Probably just well. Do we only need one for each side?
Yeah, that's about it.
Alright, there we go. That's a good.
Sweet.
That's a good block.
Gotta block the truck, because the truck doesn't fit in the hoist.
That's such clear video.
Is it?
It's so clear. Block number 2, baby.
Block number 2.
Light her up. Light her up.
I'm gonna just gonna mend it for a sec here.
Oh, I see what you're doing now. I see.
That's what the block's doing.
That makes sense now.
You pick up on that shackle.
Nice. What if it slips off the shackle? Doesn't happen, eh?
It's never happened to me.
It's never happened.
I never wanted anyone to ever ask that.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
That's good. Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna put the block on the other side. Next clip will be up in the air.
Do any of your videos have like derogatory comments and
Every single one, dude. So all my videos
Really?
are advertised not for kids.
Well, yeah,
For the
yeah,
most part,
for
all the videos are just
real life?
hanging out in the garage, just yelling.
Yeah.
Usually pretending things are a cock, stroking it, stuff like that.
Yeah. You get the pylons out.
No, we're all just pylons.
Yeah, we're all just plugs, bud.
We're all plugs.
Plugs and pylons. Boys, we're gonna take a look under the old Chev and see how the dirty girl's been doing.
So,
what do we got here, bud? How bad is it?
we got a little bit of a leak over on the power steering pump.
Yeah, that's not good for the video. Oh, nice.
Right there.
Yeah.
Just a smidge. That's not too bad. We'll just say that's lubricating the belt.
Yeah. That's why it squeaks, eh?
Yeah, a little bit. We noticed an axle seal leak here.
Yeah, let me get in on here, man. It's for,
Axle seal.
yeah.
Bloop.
National Geographic here.
Nationals.
Alright.
I gotta put this beer down so I got more hands available.
What else we got here? We got a couple things wrong with the old girl, but, you know,
I
not
noticed
bad.
This torsion key is turned in all the way. Remo, please, not right now. This torsion key is turned in all the way, and this one here is kind of backed out.
Suspicious, eh? Foul play?
You think the old owner had big girls in the passenger seat all the time?
I would say so.
Oh, man. I also got a rubber donut thingy here for the exhaust hangout. It's about to fail. But other than that, this thing's mint.
Nice cover. I'd say that's a 10 out of 10 cover.
Nice coconut. Look at the
Yeah.
rancheros.
Yeah,
Got the
look
adjustment.
at that. Yeah. Kid probably has some money. What a loser.
It has a transmission line. The rubber's failing. You can just kind of see it leaking there.
That can't be good for business, huh?
No. Well, that's good for the mechanic business. Here,
Right.
Get a little zoom
Yeah,
action
get the
on
zoom
there.
action. Yeah, you guys see that little leak?
That's, if you move this conduit, or whatever you want to call that, that line's leaking.
Yeah, not good. I'm gonna have to check my levels.
Yeah, we'll do that when we bring it down.
Unbelievable.
Why don't we show them the pressure washer that's going to be doing all the work here?
Yeah, let's show the pressure wash. Oh, I remember that, man. We pulled that out of the depths of the Black Lagoon. That was right.
Rocking it today.
Nice, man. I like it. I
Putting
like
a
it.
reel on it.
I'm in. I'm in.
Whoa, look at that beast.
Oh, here we go. Simon Eyes. First pressure washer in the league. We're not sponsored by Simon Eyes.
Put it like
Right there.
so.
In the yeah, definitely have some snow underneath it because it vibrates a lot, and you don't want the vibration to go right to the concrete.
We'll move right. Any like plasma cutting, welding, any lights. People
Yeah, they just lose it. Yeah, and then they stop filming. And
just garden hose.
all right, you film. I'm gonna carry that hose.
You want to carry a hose?
Buddy, you're working way too hard. This is Sunday. You're supposed to work hard on Sundays, boys.
That's right. Trekking through the snow like some sort of Sam Squanch. That's out of
All-wheel drive car.
yeah,
CRD.
no, that the rear-wheel drive G35 or a Nissan 350Z. That's what we're looking at
Rear-wheel
right
drive.
there. Yeah, that's the rear subframe, and see all that shit that's wrapped up around there. That's what blew his side
This whole
gear.
thing on us.
Blew his side gear.
Female end goes into the house. Mm-hmm. Where's the house hose? I feel like it's over here. I feel like I've been here before.
Walked right past it.
Oh man, look at that. Quite simply, I have been here before. Alright.
Screws it on. Roll check.
Yeah, it's good. Now if your valve stem is pointing down, you want to turn this counterclockwise.
Thank you for that information, Austin.
Well, sometimes, you know, people will be fiddling with this for a long time. They don't know what's going on.
It's like a barbecue thing. It's reverse thread.
It's reversed.
Man, it's way sturdier when you have it on this tripod thingy. What are we doing here?
And then put your knee right into the snow.
Yep.
Get a good grip on both hoses. You don't want it waving around, hitting anybody in the face. Alright, there we go. Nice. Right on.
Nice.
How's my double chin these days?
It's good. It's looking good. What do you see?
Nothing.
Got some petrol in there?
I brought some petrol.
I got premium in that tank right there.
Yeah?
Yep.
Alright, let's go for it now. Oh yeah, 2 minutes yet? Rule number 1, no smoking while you fill up your tanks, right? But Mythbusters proved that this cannot be lit on fire. Oh, and you don't want to leak anything anywhere. You want to get a nice environmental hose nozzle. Oh, premium looks like it glows blue. This is nice gas.
Yep.
Alright, we're good. We're not going to go too crazy. Or should I put a little more in?
I mean, I think we're going to pressure wash for a minute.
I think we're going to pressure wash for a bit. We might have to just get her going proper.
Oh, that smells great. I'll crack
We're done.
Yeah, I'll crack the door.
I just got gas all over your property. I did.
That's okay.
I did. I got gas all over the property. Yeah, I did.
Okay, so we're gonna crack the door now. Throw the hose in. And we're gonna start pressure washing this Chevrolet. No leaks. Hitting the old choke there. I don't know if it's flooded or if you spilled a bunch of gas.
I think both, but...
The plug's not even plugged in!
You always gotta make sure your plug's in, boys.
Oh, good stuff. Alright, first
She's
pull,
definitely
Nancy.
flooded now.
First pull,
Alright,
she will roar. That's a nice one, eh? She's not too loud?
Oh, it's gonna get loud.
Nice. All right.
She's dirty, boys! Holy fuck, it's Ricky Bobby Susan! What's going on, though, Ricky?
Now that we have all the crew back here, sort of easier to go. We were outside.
I want breakfast. I woke up and no one was home.
Comedy videos.
What are you doing
No
out
more
here?
informative stuff. We gotta show people how to cook.
All right, let's. What do we got to do here?
First thing when you're cooking venison sausages, you gotta get yourself a high-powered Simonized horse blower. Nothing cleans a griddle like a snowblower.
It's not even a snowblower. Oh man. What do you think, Dame?
Ice cream.
Pretty light. Looks good.
Looks real good.
Let's take a look. Oh, maybe we should spray it. Should we spray the back of this or no?
Oh!
Should we spray this area?
Yeah, I kind of forgot that area. Eh?
Yeah. There we go.
Don't breathe this evil dust.
Don't breathe in the evil dust.
Undercoating vehicles prolongs its life by preventing salt, rust, death. The end.
Wow, this autofocus is on your face beautifully, Brandon. Party on, boys! Come on, come on, come on. Final stage is working. Whoa. Watch out.
Where's the light?
You never. That's how you grease up a truck. And sign it out.
Signing out.
Sign it out. Keep her stick on the ice, boys. Keep her rod on the ice.
Stay classy, San Diego.
Back on the air.
Keep your stick off the ice.
I'm just putting that hubcap on.
Yeah, you know what? It just keeps it. You know, you don't want little critters in there getting in there over the winter and causing a ruckus, eating all your straw, and you know, you don't want moths getting in there, delaminating your real lug nuts, and
Definitely don't want any of that.
no.
All right. We're at 2 minutes.